Guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Turtle Beach still at 600 not connecting. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you might be wondering how to exactly fix any problem that you're having right now on your Turtle Beach 600. Well, in this case, if it's not connecting, there are going to be a few things that you do. So first is you could use, or you could basically try reconnecting it using the power button. So first things first is you want to go ahead and plug in your Turtle Beach 600 headset here and press and hold the power button on the actual headset. Now, while holding the power button, make sure your device or any device you have, right, like for example, if you have an Xbox here, you want to make sure that it's actually actively looking for a connection. Now, once the device actually begins searching, press the power button again on your headset. Now look for a red light on the headset indicating that the connection process is now working. Now everything is set up correctly. Your headset should now reconnect or connect. Now, another thing you could do here is you could reset using the power and mode buttons here. So you want to go ahead and plug in your headset again and press and hold both the power button as well as the mode button at the same time. Now continue holding them or both the buttons here for about 30 to 40 seconds, then release the button and try reconnecting it into your device. And from then on, this device should basically reset and that should solve your problem. But if none of those actually work, it means the device itself might be defective. So it's actually best to contact Turtle Beach for this one, or wherever you actually bought it, and maybe have some replacement, especially if you just bought it you just recently bought it. But in this case, those are the things that you can try here, and that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.